All right. Now we're outside of the garage. Perfect. Yeah, we're good. Let's take this apart now. How's it going? I never know how to start these videos, I'll be real honest. I'm just trying this as I go along. Today though, we're gonna work on the Flintstone mobile, the six-wheeler if you will. We're taking apart the rooftop that I made just because it broke apart due to vibrations of just driving around on desert. It just vibrated apart. Literally shattered itself. But the main purpose of today's video is to go over the quality of this Rode wireless Go microphone. I just want to test it out. I want to see how well it works in conjunction with the GoPro itself and recording videos. That's big words for me. You know, we're gonna leave that in. So yeah, today we're gonna fix a six-wheeler. Gonna just literally take apart 4 bolts. It should be pretty fast. I just want to test out the quality of the microphone. So yeah. It's also very dirty. Well, let's get to it. Yeah, when I was saying it was 4 bolts, I meant it. It's literally just 4 bolts and a light bar that I gotta clip off. So shouldn't be too hard. I believe it's 10 millimeters, and hopefully you guys can hear me clearly now when I walk away from the camera. Unlike before, when I walked away, it sounded like, you know, the Doppler effect. I was running away from you guys, but no longer will I run away from you guys. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right, that's still plugged in. I wonder if you guys saw that or not. A little spark. I could have died. Oh well. Really? It's not 10? Might be 11 then. Because 10 is too small. Yep, 11's gonna work. Impact wrench time. So we're gonna do 1 of these with the impact wrench going with the microphone on, and then we're gonna use the GoPro microphone for the other side of the impact wrench. Just to see the quality of it, see if it's good or not, if I should just keep changing it. This video is literally just gonna be me rambling. Maybe on screen, maybe off screen, who knows. Get out of here, battery, thank you. Again, I'm literally just testing out this microphone. I want to see how well it works. Nice. Dingy old bolt. Oh wait, no, this is one of the new ones I made that I cut. Weird. Oh, look at that. Okay, you can actually see where it failed. Maybe, hang on. Yeah, you can see where it failed. That's neat. It's also not good. I can't reuse this one. Sad day. All right, that's okay then. Sorry about that. The GoPro overheated, and yeah. So we were looking at this stuff right here. The washer's kind of bent. The other side's not too pretty as well. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. So now, we're gonna take it off. Perfect. Ah, fucker. Trying to attack me. I saw you trying to attack me. I don't like it. Perfect fit every time. This is garbage now. We'll use the same screw, whatever, bolt. This thing is so old anyways, I don't think it's gonna. Perfect. So yeah. All right, last test is with the AC going to see how this sounds. All right, I have the AC going in the background now as I talk. I am going to put the cover back on here, and that will be the end of the video. So for the most part, the six-wheeler, it was my grandfather's. And then he put it on to me. It is very fun. I've never taken it in the water though, but these were belt drivens, but he had a friend back in the day turn this into chain driven So this thing goes ridiculously fast. It goes about, I think, 35, 40 miles an hour, somewhere around that number. It goes pretty fast. There's no suspension, so if you hit a rock one out, you go flying. It is wicked fun. But yeah, I do want to make this waterworthy, so I gotta get plugs for it. I gotta redo all the seals for the wheels and bearings. That way it's watertight and it won't rust, which is the goal. So that's the six-wheeler, the deconstruction of the top part coming down just because it broke, whatever. But the main focus of the day was the Rode microphone Wireless Go 2. Yeah, that's what it is. I just want to see how the quality is, especially with the AC going right now, because it is 98 degrees and the sun has set, and it is hot. I'm sweating. The GoPro is actually overheated with the AC off. And again, that's just to test out how well this works with the AC going, with it off, with the drill and everything like that. I just want to test it out. So yeah, that's the video. I will do a follow-up on how it went post-production. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, and yeah, see you on the next one.